Hello, this is Natasha from YMO Homeschool, and today I'm going to give you a flip through of English grammar practice from Memoria Press. This is brand new. It's part of their revised second grade curriculum program, the classical core curriculum. So I wanted to show you the teacher key and the student workbook. I'm going to start with the teacher key, and I'm going to turn right to the front where it talks about how to use this program. So you see the contents is very basic. It just goes by weeks and days. So this starts at week 2 of second grade, and they do this twice a week, and that's how it works. Now, let me show you this though. It says that each week includes 2 short lessons that can be used for morning work or at the beginning of Latin, spelling, or literature. If you do not have time for this work during the school year, these lessons would be great for summer practice and review in grammar, capitalization, and punctuation. Lessons have 2 sentences to edit for punctuation, capitalization, and grammar. There are also 2 or 3 questions that ask the students to practice language and reading skills. You can use these lessons in a variety of ways, but the students will benefit the most by doing these practices orally so that they speak and hear the correct responses. The teacher may write the lesson on a whiteboard and have the class make corrections together. Students may also copy the lesson from a whiteboard onto their own whiteboard and make corrections before holding them up for the teacher to check. The lessons can be used as independent practice only after much oral practice. If preferred, each student can have a student workbook rather than using whiteboards, but we still recommend these lessons being practiced orally with a teacher in order to get the most benefit from them. These lessons begin in week 2 of school. This gives the first week of school to introduce Latin before delving into English grammar practice. So with that being said, this student workbook actually isn't necessary, which I didn't know, but that's okay. You really just need this teacher book. And the teacher book is really not expensive. So this is a great little addition. And though it is Memoria Press, I think it would be a great addition to any second grade program, or even, older, 3rd grade for just a little bit of practice, or like a summer review like they said. So this is all it looks like. It simply has the student pages with the answers filled in. So again, here's these 2 sentences that they correct for punctuation, capitalization, and grammar. And then here's where they practice their reading and language skills, which words have the same sound as the A in cake, and then they circle the correct answers. But again, it says to do these orally for the most benefit. And so as you can see, these don't teach the grammar concepts. These are reviewing the grammar concepts, but it has no teaching in here. This whole book looks exactly the same as far as the format and the way it goes, okay? And then the student book is just like that teacher book, but it is obviously not filled out. So I hope that gives you an idea of what this is like. So this is not a teaching program. It's a review program intended to be used orally. So really you just need this teacher key, this English grammar practice teacher key. I hope that was helpful, and I will talk to you soon.